Here in this video, we will show you how to set up automated backups in WHM root. If you would like to set up automated backups in your WHM root server, then in that case, first of all, log into your WHM root and then go to backup configuration, which is given under backup section. Now from here, you can simply switch to enable mode in order to enable the backups. Now come towards the bottom of the screen and configure several other settings. For example, select compressed backup if you would like to generate tar.gz in compressed format. Otherwise, you can select the other two options. In the same way, configure minimum free disk space check, which means backups will only be created if 5% of disk space is free. Similarly, configure other settings and then again come towards the bottom side and select daily backups if you would like to generate the backups daily on specific days. You can also select the accounts that you would like to backup. Click over select users and then tick or untick those accounts which you would like to select or deselect for backup. In the same way, configure other things. Select backup system files if you would like to backup other data apart from cPanel accounts. You can select the backup directory where it will keep the backups. Default backup directory means that this directory will be used for storing backup files locally. You can also add additional destinations. For example, you can also add additional destinations like FTP, SFTP, Remote SSH, Amazon S3 or Google Drive. Once you're done with the changes, click over Save. In this way, your backup is now configured successfully. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you are looking for a reliable WHM reseller with automated backup facility, then vetserverhost.com is the best option for you.